Same po sa 3 quarters ng 2023, binibigay mo yung pera sa isang non-accountable officer na hindi bonded. Tsaka hindi ka makakapagpakita, 2023 this time, ng kahit anong dokumento ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 375 million pesos in cold cash, pera ng bayan.
Objection, Your Honor.
2023.
Misleading and asking unanswered, Your Honor. It's
2023, Your Honor.
It's misleading, Your Honor, because the witness did not make any testimony as regarding the claim that the security officer is not accountable, Your Honor, and it's already asked and answered, Your Honor.
Counsel, I will have to sustain the objection, but on the ground that it is compounded, and if at all it is misleading, because the 375 million was not given one time to Colonel Lachica. You
I will
totaled
break it down, Your Honor, please.
You totaled it for her.
Okay.
Kindly modify. Kindly
I will break
modify,
it down. Para naman sa first quarter ng 2023, binigay mo rin 125 billion pesos in cold cash to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
I'm breaking it down. Yes or no?
Witness may answer.
Gi-release ko po kay security officer kasi siya po ang itinalaga ng aming Vice President, Your Honor, at siya ang nakakaalam paano i-implement ang mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
There you go again. Now, for the first quarter ng 2023, wala ka ring maipakitang any acknowledgement receipt, any document ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos cash galing sa'yo for the first quarter of 2023. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Nagpa-receive
Honor.
po
Asked
ako,
and
Your
answered, Your
Honor.
Your
Honor.
Honor, this is 2023. I'm breaking it down.
Counsel, let the witness answer.
Nagpa-receive po ako, Your Honor.
Ma'am, tanong. May dokumento kayo now na ipapakita in an impeachment trial sa harap ng ating mga senator judges, sa harap ng taong bayan na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo.
Your
Ngayon.
Honor, Your Honor,
That's a very clear-
I would have to register a continuing objection to this line of questioning,
Napakasimpleng tanong po, Your Honor.
considering that it's already asked and answered. Your Honor.
Ngayon,
Counsel, you're on a short leash. I think the witness answered already from the questioning of the presiding officer himself. Although I know and understand it's for emphasis, but only it can only go so far.
yes.
The witness is already answered. So, ma'am, wala po kayong dokumentong hawak dahil nga binawi ni Colonel Lachica. Tama po.
Binawi po niya, Your Honor, pero nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor. Nakasubmit na po kami sa COA, Your Honor. Every time po, meron kaming confidential, Your Honor.
Opo, ma'am.
Nakaliquidate po kami, Your Honor.
Opo, naunawaan ko po
Alright.
yan. Pero klaro lang po na binawi nga po niya kaya wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
At yan po yung
Pagkatapos.
kinagawian na nyo noong 2022 last quarter, first, second, at third quarter ng 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo, tama. Okay. Kaya wala po kayong hawak na kahit anong dokumento ngayon dahil na kay Colonel Lachica na at binawi po niya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ma'am, ito yung tanong now. Ito yung tanong now, ma'am. Hindi po ba kakaiba? Unusual na yung acknowledgement receipt babawiin ng taong pinagbigyan mo ng pera. You don't find it unusual?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Sustained. Sustained. Kindly
Yes, Your Honor.
reform counsel.
In Davao City, prior to 2022, hindi po ba, ma'am, same pa rin yung procedure na ginagawa nyo? Binibigay mo yung confidential funds sa isang security officer, and then sabi mo, may acknowledgement receipt, pero binabawi ng pinagbigyan mo yung acknowledgement receipt, kaya hindi mo hawak. Tama po ba sa Davao City? Practice nyo doon.
I will have to recall, Your Honor, kay Matagal na po
Yes,
kasi
okay.
yun.
Ma'am, hindi po ba ito yung nagiging method of procedure? May Latin term po tayo dyan, ma'am, ha?
May,
Method of procedure, ito yung modus operandi nyo. Ibibigay yung pera sa isang security officer, hindi bonded, tsaka babawiin, sinasabi mo, ng pinagbigyan ng pera ang acknowledgement receipt. Modus operandi in English, in simple English, it means method of procedure, nakagawian, practice, modus. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. It's misleading because there's no the witness testified that she does not remember.
No? Counsel, we both know modus has a secondary and double meaning. We can always use, is this the standard operating procedure that you followed when you were SDO in both Davao and under the OVP? Ito,
Yes.
ito po ba yung kinagawian ninyong practice at proseso nung kayo po ay SDO ng Davao, kaugnay ng confidential fund, at nung kayo ay SDO ng OVP, na yung pagbibigyan nyo, security officer o sino man, hindi bonded, pipirma na acknowledgement receipt, at pag nagbigay na siya ng fund liquidation report, fund utilization report, at nakaliquidate na kayo sa COA, babawi na.
opo, Your Honor.
Opo. Now, let me proceed. Cash disbursement record. You are aware ano yung konsepto ng cash disbursement record or CDR. Let's go to paragraphs 7.1, 7.2. Your Honor, I endeavor to finish this before 12. I promise, Your Honor. 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Of course, as an SDO, alam mo ano yung konsepto ng cash disbursement record. Alam mo yung konseptong iyan. Di po ba?
Andali.
Attorney J, please assist. That is 7.1, 7.2, 7.3.
Assisting counsels of both parties may approach.
Meron na akong kopya, Your Honor.
Okay, now. What was the address? Sorry, ha? Okay, now. You were supposed to record each invoice, receipt, or voucher individually. Sa isang araw, kailangan nakatala. Sa CDR, okay, lahat ng perang lalabas sa opisina mo as SDO. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Meron po
Info-
akong CDR.
Okay, let's go into that. Sinabi mo may CDR ka. Ito yung tanong now. In that CDR, makikita ba dyan na binigay mo yung 125 million pesos kay Colonel La Chica on December 20, 2022?
Yes po, nakalagay po doon, Your Honor, release to security officer,
Okay.
Sir La Chica,
Can we have that?
125.
Do you have a copy?
Hindi ko dinala, Your
Hindi
Honor.
mo dinala. Okay. Good. Now, ma'am, hindi po ba? Ma'am, sinabi mo na yung mga acknowledgement receipt na sabi mo, through the questions of the good presiding officer, pinirmahan, allegedly, ni Colonel La Chica, binawi niya, di po ba? Ma'am, yung tanong, what about yung mga acknowledgement receipts ng mga thousands of recipients? Like Mary Grace Piato, yung acknowledgement receipt. Yes or no?
I need to clarify the
Oh,
question,
I will
Your
repeat the
Honor.
question. Sinabi mo, yung pruweba na binigay at tinanggap ni Colonel La Chica yung 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo, yes, pumirma siya. Pero binawi niya pagkatapos ng liquidation report. Ito yung tanong now. What about yung mga acknowledgement receipts, Mary Grace Piatos and Dilip? Binawi ba nila yung acknowledgement receipts or you retain yung mga acknowledgement receipts na yun? You retain, tama po ba?
Yung mga acknowledgement na yun, Your Honor, galing po yun kay
Colonel
SO
Lachica.
officer. Oh. Tapos, Your Honor, yan po ay hiningi po ng COA. Kaya nasubmit na po lahat ang mga acknowledgement, Your Honor, na galing yung
Mhm.
mga tao na naka-receive o yung pinaggastusan po ni Colonel Lachica doon sa ground po, Your Honor, habang gi-implement po ang confidential operation or activities, Your
Para
Honor.
ma-submit nyo sa COA. Yun yung sabi nyo, di ba?
Kailangan po yun, Your
Yun,
Honor.
ma'am. Kaya, Your Honor, with the court's indulgence, I will ask this question again. Yung binawi ni Colonel Lachica, yung acknowledgement receipt, hindi nyo po ba naisip na, teka muna, Colonel Lachica, oh, wait, I'm not done, counsel. Teka muna, kailangan ko i-submit sa COA. So, of course, I will not give this to you, Colonel Lachica. Kasi nga, ano yung pruweba ko na tinanggap mo yung pera galing sa akin? Hindi mo ba naisip yan, Ginang Gina Acosta?
Objection,
Yo-
Your Honor. Argumentative, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this is premised on her answer a while ago that she said because they had to submit that to COA, the acknowledgement. That's why I'm asking this question again.
Argumentative misleading,
think
Your
I-
Honor.
I think you've established your point,
Yes,
counsel,
Your Honor.
both
I
to
will
the
move
senator, judges, and to the public. It is argumentative.
I will
move
move
on
on.
to your next point, counsel.
Much obliged. Hindi po ba obligasyon mo bilang SDO na busisihin yung mga acknowledgement receipts na sinasabi nyo na magpapatunay na tinanggap ng mga recipients yung pera ng taong bayan. Trabaho mo as SDO na busisihin yung mga acknowledgement receipts, hindi po ba?
Trabaho ko po, Your Honor, pero
Mhm.
sa dami-dami po ng acknowledgement receipt, hindi ko po maalala lahat, Your
Yun.
Honor, yung mga ibang detalles kagaya ng mga names, Your Honor. Kasi
And I will help you remember, ma'am. Don't worry. Now, I'm showing you now an itemized confidential expenditures as stated sa accomplishment report nyo for the period December 21 to 31, 2022. Okay, show. Para po matulungan natin si Gina Acosta maalala yung nangyari in 2022, 4 na taon nakalipas. Show this on screen, please. Surveillance and monitoring. That one. The total amount, okay, while it's being shown, in the process of being shown, you will confirm that for an 11-day duration, December 21 to 31, 2022, yung Office of the Vice President nagbayad ng kabuuhang 16 million pesos. Nakasulat sa accomplishment report ninyo, rental of other incidental expenses relative to the maintenance of safe houses. 16 million pesos rental from December 21 to 31. 11 days. Confirm, Madam Acosta. Now this time, naaalala nyo na po ba? Andyan po, oh. Rental of other incidental expenses, letter C, 16 million pesos.
excuse me, Your Honor,
Okay,
ang binigay po sa akin na utilization po, hindi po kagaya doon, Your Honor.
okay, sige. Anyways, you look at the document. Accomplishment report. You show it. It's there.
Kasi po, ang sa screen po, nakalagay po, Your Honor, is
Mhm.
132. At ang dito, ang
Wala ma'am, wala.
kopya po,
Eh,
Your
ma'am,
Honor, is
klaro po ma'am, klaro po
127.
ma'am. Oh, December 21 to 31.
Sir,
And then rental, ayan, oh, 16 million pesos. Oh. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll show it to you.